Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about Microsoft Edge and Bing search engine. And if you're more comfortable with Google like most of us do, I'll show you how to set Google as your default search engine in Edge. Let's get started. Microsoft Edge or Edge browser is the new built-in web browser of every Windows computers, especially newer models. It is designed to be fast, secure, and packed with features that make your browsing experience better. Now, let's talk about Bing. Bing is a search engine, like Google, where most of us use to search online. Bing is developed by Microsoft, and it's integrated directly into Edge browsers. So, if you were to search on an Edge, chances are, you will be using Bing search and not Google. This raises a question of what if somebody is more familiar with the minimalistic approach of Google search and want to use it as default search engine on Edge browser and not Bing. No problem. Here's how you can change it. Step 1. Open Edge, and on the lower right corner click Settings button. Step 2. Inside Settings, click Privacy Search and Services on the side menu. Step 3. Browse down to the Services section. Look for Address Bar and Search, and click it. Step 4. Look for Search Engine used in the address bar, and select Google on the drop-down menu. Leave other settings as is. Step 5. Go back to the Home settings, click Start Home and New tabs on the side menu. Step 6. On the When Microsoft Edge starts, select Open these pages and click Add a new page at google.com and click Add button. Step 7. Restart the app by closing it and opening again to propagate the change. Sometimes it might take several restarts for the changes to take effect. So, there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. See you in the next video.